What's up guys, Chris.Donley here with Guaranty RV Centers in Junction City, Oregon. This is the new 2020 Outlaw 29J. This is a lot of fun. Let's go inside. As you may have been looking at, this is a toy hauler. We're going to start up here in the living area first. You've got opposing couches, both make into beds. It's a jackknife bed, just comes out right here. You got two tables that set up. They're stored under here right now, but you've got tables that set up out here so you can dine 4 people comfortably. You got a cab over, of course, big TV that swings out. You've got some upgraded seats here in your Ford cab. Kind of got that nice leather going on there. Coming over here, storage underneath of your fridge. TV right here, of course. Flip up counter to give you a little extra room in the kitchen with one big large sink, kind of a farmhouse style, I guess you'd call that. Got your Techno stove here with the lights. That's a nice stove. Huron makes some good appliances. 3-burner stove. Got your microwave, and of course, drawer. You thought it was an oven. So did I. There's a wardrobe there. Let's not forget the roomy bathroom. Now you gotta step up into here. I'm glad they make this skylight. But still roomy enough to take a camp shower. Here's the real fun part. Back here, here's your toy hauler. You can fit a couple quads in here or something even bigger. Ramp coming off the back. You do have the patio on here. Don't have it taken out right now. And what I'm under right here comes down. It's motorized on a track, comes down. This is gonna be your main bed. So if you own this thing, you're sleeping here, okay? You don't have to sleep out there. You've got a radio right here too, speakers inside here, so you can have your own party back there too that no one's invited to. Now going back outside, the party's also outside. Well, that's locked, of course. You got a TV behind there. You got storage under here, despite having plenty of storage in the toy hauler. Big power awning. And there's so much going on in this too. You got a 1,000-watt inverter. You have a tankless water heater. There's all kinds of options in this thing. 29-foot package. You know, you can go to the dunes and still not take up a huge spot. You don't need a pull through or anything like that. So it's a really great floor plan. Come check it out in person. I would love to show it to you. Ask for Chris.